Conduct definition, conduct in a sentence, conduct pronunciation, conduct meaning. Welcome to another research paper word video. American pronunciation of conduct. 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 Conduct means to carry out a particular activity or process, especially to get information or to prove facts, or to allow heat or electricity to travel along or through it. Common usages in academic writing: conduct the experiment, conduct clinical trials, conduct electricity. Example sentence: conduct, verb. A survey was conducted on university students and their attitudes towards organic foods. The common academic writing variation is conductive, adjective. They developed the first electrically conductive plastics. Please write a sentence using conduct in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use conduct confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.